Hi, today we are going to learn how to do option scalping in the Nifty. I hope everyone knows option scalping. It's a quick buy, quick sell. Everything will happen in 5 to 10 seconds, or even it can go to 5 to 10 minutes. So let's see in live one of the scalping. I have recorded the video in advance. It was done today morning. If you see the time around 12:30 for the transaction is did. So as I cannot record and talk together and do the transaction, I did it in advance. So let's see a transaction how it's working. So this is a Zerodha Pi where I have written some scripts for to get the alerts. So buy and sell alerts I will be getting from the Zerodha Pi. So I do only option buying and not option selling because it requires huge capital. Now this is one of the script I got. If you have seen here, I got one buy 14,800 CE at 1234. So I came to the chart. So in the chart here you can see this green candle is 7 EMA and red uh, line is not the candle, red line is 14 EMA. So when it crossing, I got a candle here. So it become my signal candle. So what will be my buying position once the next candle crosses the signal candle? Let's see the conditions first. 7 is EMA green, 14 is EMA red, pivot, and I will be having RSI. Now my entry will be once 7 EMA crosses 14 EMA from bottom to the up. There should not be immediate pivot resistance. RSI should be in between 35 to 45 or 55 to 65. EMA crossing is our candle signal and buy above our candle signal. So here this is the candle signal and here you can see once it crosses we will take the entry. So I mark the positions and bottom of the candle signal will be my stop loss. So in some places I'll make faster video because otherwise it may take time. It took almost 7 to 8 minutes of time. So I got the entry here and I took the position around 74.80 took the position. So what is my target and how I fix the stop loss? So this is the signal candle. What is the size of a signal candle? I will check. It's almost 4 rupees is the size of the candle. So on 74, my target will be 78. And here the pivot resistance also there. So I will not look a target above that. I will just below only I will take the target and the stop loss will be bottom to the candle. So I have completed the purchase. It went up to here, then came down. Took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, around 5 minutes now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On 8th minute, it actually touched my target. So my sell is already completed here. Now let's see how many transactions we got today. If you look at the Zerodha Pay, you can see the number of transactions I got. I took randomly every transactions I was not able to do because I'm not a full-time trader. Then few transactions I did. One lot I have done today, so around 2350 is the profit. I usually do 4 lot because as you know the commission will be more if I do 1 lot and the average commission will be less in 4 lot. Around 9300 rupees profit you will able to make, which means around monthly, if you look around 300%, but I will not say it is a 300% you will get every time, because what happen, you will be hitting sometimes a stop loss around 20 to 10 to 20% you can surely expect the stop loss. So today there is no stop loss hit actually. That is why the profit is showing a decent one. So now the second part is how you do those triggering or the script in the Zerodha. So what you will have to do, you can go to the artificial intelligence and create a new expert advisor. You can write whatever the topic you want to write, a description and the message. So this code I will paste it in the description column of the video, and you can just copy from there. This is nothing, the EMA clause condition and the RSI where it is standing, these two conditions only. So this is for the buy and this is for the sell. So you can save it. I already have it. So once you save it, you will have to take the chart. Now which how I will select the strike price. Suppose today Nifty is at 14,800. Then you can select 14,600 CE, 14,700 CE, 14,800 CE, and similar to the upper side, 900 CE, 15,000 CE. And on the reversal side, with the same strike price, you can take PE also. So you can see around all the price will be standing 100 to 150 range. As market is already moved, some are now very high. So 100 to 150, so that we can get in each transaction around 5% return. Now once you have added your watch list, you can take the chart. It's a 2 minutes interval, and you can go to artificial intelligence, apply expert advice, then you can select your script, then click on apply. You can see a remarks here. So now whenever your condition is satisfied, immediately you'll get an alert here. Regarding the brokerage, if you do just 75 quantities, you can see 80.81 is your break even. Out of 313 profit, around 61 rupees is the charge. So if you do 300 quantity, which is 4 lot, you can see 0.34 is become your break even. So 1,400 is your profit. If you do at least 5 or 6 transactions in a day, which may take a maximum of 1 hour, you can make decent money, and the capital required for 60,000 will be around for the 4 lots is around 60,000 rupees.